guys, how are you?
How are you guys? Yeah, we're going inside to the store. Truck stop here guys, or fuel station, has everything. Kumbaga, one-stop shop. Grocery, food, fast food. Even they have there are other fuel stations also that they have drugstore, but not all of them. But they have something like pain reliever medication, something like that. No, you go ahead and you get it.
What do you want?
These are the buffet style. No, I don't want rice, huh? No
What
need
do you
rice.
want?
Oh, no. What is that? Turkey. Oh, no.
That's pork. You want some of that?
Oh, yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit. No veggies. I think you can get that one, honey, no veggies. This is fine with me. Yeah, that's fine, honey. That's too much. And veggies. That's all. Veggies.
Okay, can you get
Oh, you want that? Fried chicken. And these are guys the salad bar. This is the food that we bought inside. Veggies with meat, pork and chicken. Hi guys, we are stopped now. We are close by to the destination, less than 100 miles, so we better stop here for tonight. So anyway, I'm heading to the Danish store to use a restroom. A lot of viewers asking where we gonna use a restroom. As you can see, we don't have a restroom in the truck or toilet in the truck. All truck stop here are complete. Restroom, shower room, laundry, TV room, theater room, etc., etc. They are all complete, so I don't worry about that. This is a nice place. Joe Travel Plaza. It's a nice place. They have Denny's, barbecue pit, or you can have it here at my back. Behind me is, I think that's the Cars Junior, and that the other side is that one, McDonald's. So yeah, it's a nice place. Okay, shout out time. Shout out to Constantine Navor, Ann Pau Channel, Simply Floor Salvador Baclor, Edith Rivera, belated happy birthday sis. Little Kids Mine, that's the name of her channel, Little Kids Mine. Michael J, Lala Blessed, Merlinda Mijares, Army Pacheco, Ligaya Ansok Alcanzado. She's from OFW from Hong Kong. Hi! And Erwin Agarao. Ayan, yan po sila nagpapa-shoutout. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Thank you for watching. So I will end this vlog here. So see you next time. Good night everyone. Bye!